In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Trello Workspace admin rights step by step. If you manage a team, collaborate with clients, or simply want to control who has full access inside your Trello Workspace, this is something you absolutely need to know. Giving the right admin permissions ensures your workspace stays organized, secure, and properly managed. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can confidently assign admin rights in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Trello.com. Log into your account using your email and password if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all of your boards and workspaces. From here, the first thing you need to do is go to your boards page. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner if needed, and then navigating to your boards overview. This section shows all the boards connected to your account across different workspaces. Make sure you identify the correct workspace where you want to assign admin rights. Next, locate the workspace itself. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see your list of workspaces. Click on the specific workspace where you want to manage admin permissions. Once you're inside that workspace, look for the Members tab. This is usually located near the top of the workspace navigation menu. Click on Members. This will open a list of everyone who currently has access to this workspace. Here you'll see their names, profile pictures, and their current roles. Roles typically include normal or admin depending on the permissions they've been granted. Now scroll through the member list and locate the specific person whose role you want to change. If you have a large team, you can use your browser search function to quickly find their name. Once you've found the correct member, look to the right of their name. You'll see their current role displayed there. To change their permissions, click on the drop-down menu next to their current role. If it currently says normal, click on it to reveal the available role options. From the drop-down list, select admin. As soon as you select admin, Trello will automatically update their permissions. There's no separate save button required. That member will now have full administrative rights within the workspace. This means they can manage members, adjust workspace settings, create and delete boards, and control various administrative features. It's important to only grant admin access to people you trust. Admins have significant control, so make sure the person you're assigning this role to understands their responsibilities. If needed, you can always return to the Members tab and change their role back to normal using the same drop-down process. And that's it. That's how you set up Trello Workspace admin rights quickly and easily. As you can see, the entire process only takes a minute once you know where everything is located. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Trello guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.